In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your flight number on Ryanair. This is an essential part of your travel preparation, whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned jet-setter. Knowing your flight number is crucial for checking in at the airport, tracking your flight status, or sharing your itinerary with friends and family. Let's break this down step by step so you can easily locate your flight number without any hassle. Start by visiting Ryanair's official website, where the primary source of information is hosted for all the flights they operate. Once you are on the home page, you'll want to log into your account if you have one. To do this, locate the Login button, generally found in the top right corner. Upon clicking, enter your email address and password in the respective fields to access your account. If you have previously booked your flight using this account, all your bookings will be available here. If you don't have an account or simply booked as a guest, you can still find your flight details using your booking reference. Look out for the Manage My Booking section on the website. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your booking reference and the email address used at the time of booking. Now, if you're wondering where to find this booking reference, it's typically included in the confirmation email you received after completing your purchase. Once you've logged in or accessed your booking using the reference, locate the Itinerary or Flight Details section. It's here that you will find all your essential flight information, including the flight number. The flight number usually consists of a combination of letters and numbers, often starting with FR, which signifies Ryanair flights. For instance, FR 1234 could be a typical flight number format for Ryanair. It's important to remember that your flight number remains constant for a specific journey on a particular date, so you can use it to track your flight status closer to your departure time. Websites and apps like FlightAware or FlightRadar24 can be very handy in tracking live flight status updates, delays, or gate changes using the flight number. If you're someone who prefers having a physical record, take a moment to print your itinerary or save it on your phone. This way, you'll always have your flight information handy even if internet access becomes an issue. Lastly, it's always a good practice to verify your flight details as your departure date approaches. Airlines sometimes make changes due to operational requirements, so staying updated via Ryanair's website or app ensures you won't miss anything crucial. That's it for today's guide. Now, finding your Ryanair flight number should be a breeze. Safe travels, and enjoy your journey.